I have been using AI to write and create content that's gotten millions of views, gained over 14,000 followers on Instagram, and I have personally made over $120,000 this year just from content. And all of it was written by AI. But here's the crazy part, I didn't have to record a single video of myself. Now look, I've spent thousands of dollars on courses, mentorships, and testing every AI tool out there. I've tried GPT, Claude, Perplexity, but really nothing comes close to what I'm about to show you right now. Because in this video, I'm going to reveal the exact 3-step framework I use to create viral content using AI that sounds authentically like me, gets millions of views, and drives real revenue to my business. And by the way, even this video you're watching right now was scripted using this exact same system. So if you want to stop wasting 20 hours a week on content creation and start leveraging AI the right way, stick around because this is going to change everything for you. Alright, so here's what we are going to cover in this video. First, I'm going to show you the exact AI tool I use that's 10x more powerful than ChatGPT for content creation. Second, I'll walk you through my 3-step framework for training the AI to write it in your voice, finding viral content in your niche, and combining everything to generate scripts that actually perform. And third, I'm going to show you the biggest mistakes people make when using AI for content so you can avoid them and get results faster. But before we dive in, let me give you some proof that this actually works. 6 months ago, I was struggling to even hit 1,000 followers. I was posting every single day, trying all the strategies the gurus told me to do, but nothing was working. Then I discovered this framework and everything changed. Within 90 days, I went from 0 to 15,000 followers. My videos started getting hundreds of thousands of views, and I generated over $120,000 in revenue, all from content that was written by AI. So if you are tired of spending hours writing scripts that don't perform, or you are stuck wondering what content to create next, this video is going to solve that problem for you. With that in mind, let's dive in. Look, creating content in 2025 is absolutely brutal. You're expected to post 3 times a day on Instagram, upload daily YouTube videos, stay active on TikTok, and somehow still run your actual business. It's insane, it's exhausting, and honestly, it's not sustainable. I know because I was there too, but this tool made creating quality content consistently possible. So the tool that we are talking about here is called Poppy AI. Just search up Poppy AI and it's going to take you straight to their website where you can sign up. Now here's the thing, it's $300 for the year, which I know might sound like a lot upfront, but if you break it down, it comes out to be about $25 a month. Compare that to ChatGPT Plus or Claude, which is literally the same price, except Poppy gives you way more capabilities. You're getting Claude, GPT, and a bunch of other AI models all in one place, plus this entire mind mapping system that we are about to dive into. Alright, so once you have signed up and you're inside Poppy, here's what you're going to see. Let me pull up one of my actual boards that I've been working on recently. Now I know this looks pretty crazy at first glance. It looks like some beautiful mind level mapped out genius stuff, right? But here's the reality, it's actually really simple once you understand the framework, and that's exactly what I'm about to break down for you right now. I'm going to make this so simple and easy to understand that even if you have never used AI before, even if you think you are not tech savvy, you're going to be able to follow along and implement this immediately. So let's dive in and break down exactly how this works with a clean new board. Now this is what we are going to be doing with our new board. Step 1, train the AI to write it in your tone, voice, and style. Step 2, find outlier videos in your niche that have already gone viral. Step 3, combine everything using the magic sauce to generate viral scripts. So let me break down each step for you. Step 1, training the AI on your voice. This is the most important step that everyone skips, and you need to give the AI as much context as possible for it to be able to write viral content for you. Because here's the thing, you can't just type a prompt into ChatGPT and expect it to sound like you. You need to train the AI on how you actually talk. So here's exactly what you're going to do. First, you're going to feed the AI your existing content. Go to your top performing YouTube videos, your best Instagram reels or TikToks, just copy the links and press Ctrl+V to paste these videos directly into your board. But that's not it. We still need to give the AI some training on how to write viral content. So here's what you're going to do next. Head over to Callaway's YouTube channel or anyone you trust who has produced viral content, then copy and paste some of their most insightful videos about script writing into Poppy. I recommend adding these 3 videos to your Poppy board. Don't worry, I'll add the links to these videos in the description below, so it's super easy for you to find them. But this is where it gets even interesting. We now want to give AI some context about your business and your audience. So I'm going to upload my agency's AI content system, my audience avatar document, the link to my landing page, and if you don't know how to build your audience avatar, we have a new video coming up about in the next couple of weeks, so subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Now here's how you're going to organize all of this. You're going to create 3 separate groups in Poppy. Group 1 will be your tone and voice, where you'll add all your past content there. Group 2 will be all the scripting resources where you will be adding the scripting and training videos. Group 3 will be about your audience and business insights where you will be adding all the business and audience related documents or videos here. Once the AI understands your voice, your business, your audience and how to make content go viral, it can replicate it with scary accuracy, and that's where the magic happens. Now step 2 is finding viral content in your niche. Now instead of trying to come up with ideas from scratch, you're going to leverage what's already working. Why? Because we want to optimize our content strategy for viral hit rate. See, content is like playing roulette. You cannot win 100% of the time, you just have to win 2 out of 10 times. And this is also based on the famous 80-20 rule that your 20% of content will produce 80% of your results. So here's what you're going to do. Go to YouTube, Instagram or TikTok and find outlier videos in your niche. But what's an outlier video? An outlier video is any video that has gotten 5x the average views on that channel or account. For example, if a channel normally gets 10,000 views per video but one video got 50,000 views, that's an outlier. Copy the link to these viral videos and paste them into your copyboard. Now I know what you're thinking, isn't this just copying other people's content? No, because you're not copying the content itself. You're analyzing what made it successful, the hook, the structure, the storytelling techniques, the psychological triggers, and then you are creating something entirely new in your own voice with your unique perspective. Step 3. Now this is the magic sauce where we combine everything. Remember the 3 groups we built, which was tone and voice, scripting resources, audience and business insights. Now you're going to link all these groups to a chat along with a viral video you found. But here's the key. I'm not going to just prompt it once to produce a whole script, because in my experience of producing over 1000 scripts in the last 8 months, AI works better when you break down your tasks into smaller steps. So here's the exact prompting sequence I use. So first we will type in this prompt. Analyze the scripting resources in your knowledge base and tell me what exactly makes content go viral. Now you can see that this shows exactly what makes a content go viral based on all the YouTube tutorials. This is so amazing and so accurate on what makes a content go viral. Next, you will type this. Now analyze my audience and business insights and tell me what my audience's pain points are and what they want to learn. It will give you everything from dream outcomes to all psychological triggers of your audience so that you can hold attention and make your content go viral. Now here's the next prompt. Based on my content, analyze how I talk, what's my tone, what's my style, what are my catchphrases, what are the exact words I use while creating content. Now look at this. This is scary good. I mean, this is exactly how I talk, and it does a pretty amazing job in analyzing and replicating my voice and the words that I use while speaking. Now once you're done with these 3 prompts, you will enter the last prompt, which is now using the principles from the scripting resources, rewrite this viral video in my style and tone of voice which is given to you in your project knowledge. Make sure to use my audience insights and here is my unique POV about this content idea. Then you will just add your POV at the end of this prompt and just press enter. Now you have your entire script ready just like that. This script is so fucking good. I mean, it follows all the scripting principles and is actually written in my tone. But the only thing I would do right now is tweak it a little bit more to make it sound more human and like me. And here's the best part. You can use this system for way more than just Instagram scripts. You can produce TikTok scripts, YouTube videos, video sales letters, email sequences, and social media captions. All you have to do is play around with groups, play around with the project knowledge, and just train the AI on whatever task you want it to do properly. Now, before we wrap up, let me share the biggest mistakes I see people make when trying to use AI for content creation. Mistake number 1, not training the AI properly. If you skip the training step, your content will sound generic and robotic. So really take the time to feed it quality data and give it as much context as possible. Mistake 2, copying instead of analyzing. Don't just blindly copy viral content. Instead, analyze what made it successful, retain the viral elements, and create something new with your unique perspective. Mistake number 3, ignoring your own unique perspective. The AI should enhance your voice, not replace it. Always add your own insights and experiences to make the content authentically yours. Mistake number 4, not iterating. Your first AI generated script might not be perfect. Well, your even 10th script might not be perfect. So refine it, improve it, make it better. Use follow-up prompts to dial in specific sections. Alright, so here's what we covered in this video. I showed you the exact AI tool I use, which is Poppy AI, that's 10x more powerful than ChatGPT for content creation. I walked you through my 3-step framework, training the AI on your voice, finding viral content in your niche, and combining everything to generate scripts that actually perform. And I shared the biggest mistakes to avoid so you can get results faster. Look, content creation doesn't have to be this overwhelming, time-consuming grind. With the right AI system and framework, you can create viral content that sounds authentically like you in a fraction of time. I've shown you the exact framework that took me from 0 to 14,000 followers followers and over $120,000 in revenue in less than a year. And if you found this valuable, make sure you check out my next video where I break down how I gained 10,000 followers on Instagram without ever filming myself. That video is going to be insane. So hit the subscribe button below if you don't want to miss it. Alright, that's it for this one. Now go create some viral content.